Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Eat like royalty at breakfast for weight loss. Hi, I'm Christy Coughlin, wellness coach with Rolling Strong. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, subscribe to the Rolling Strong YouTube channel, and click on the bell for notifications. Eat like a king or a queen at breakfast, a prince or a princess at lunch, and a pauper at dinner. Science is proving this old adage to be true for those trying to lose weight and improve their health. A recent study found that eating a main meal after 3 o'clock in the afternoon makes losing weight hard. Study participants that ate a small breakfast and a large dinner lost less weight than those who did the opposite, ate a large breakfast and a small dinner. Late in the day eating is associated with decreased glucose tolerance and lower resting energy expenditure, which makes weight loss more challenging. For those that skip breakfast, unhealthy behaviors and indications were more common. Things like snacking on unhealthy foods during the day, eating larger dinners, less exercise, higher metabolic risk, higher BMI, larger waist circumference, that belly fat, higher fasting insulin levels, and increased cholesterol and LDL numbers. Also a higher risk of diabetes. So when you eat is important for health and weight loss. Your body's circadian rhythms operate based on sunlight and darkness. Hormones are driven by your circadian rhythm. In the morning, hormones are released to help you feel awake, alert, and encourage activity for your busy day. At night, hormones are released to do the opposite, to help you slow down and prepare for sleep. So you burn more energy or calories in the morning than you do in the evening. This is how your body was designed to work. So your body's primed to burn calories in the morning. Eating a large, nutritious meal like a king or a queen within 2 hours of waking, ideally around 7 a.m., is the way to go. This meal will result in better blood sugar and insulin regulation, less cravings, especially for junk food, including sugar, more calorie burn throughout your day, better cognitive performance, improved mood, enhanced energy for your day and all your activities. For breakfast, include complex carbohydrates like fruits, veggies, whole grains, some lean protein like eggs and lean sausage, and healthy fats like nuts, nut butter, and avocado. A breakfast of oatmeal made with almond milk topped with frozen raspberries, blueberries, chopped almonds, and flax meal is a great option. You might also choose whole grain toast with eggs, sauteed veggies, avocado, and a side of fruit. Lunch is also an important meal for you as a prince or a princess. Eat it between 12:30 and 1 o'clock. Your body is still revved up and burning calories. You might choose leftover grilled chicken and some veggies, or a sandwich on whole grain bread with turkey, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a side salad made with vinaigrette. Dinner should be your smallest meal of the day, fit for a pauper. Make a kale salad topped with 6 ounces of salmon, a little bit of slivered Parmesan cheese, chopped walnuts, and sliced strawberries. For effective weight loss, try focusing on when you eat to better accommodate your body's natural circadian rhythms. Keeping the old adage in mind, a king or a queen at breakfast, prince or a princess at lunch, and a pauper at dinner. This is Christy Coughlin, wellness coach with Rolling Strong.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.